Chat, we sliding, chat, we sliding. Look at the streets of New Orleans. Like, this is insane. Look. You guys are probably wondering, ZAYYVERSON, I thought you was gonna do a little burnout or a little donut. We're gonna have the sad news for you guys right now, man. Chad, what I'm witnessing right now is really crazy. It's really snowing in New Orleans, Louisiana.
What? Oh, hell no! That's hell no!
Look at this snow, man. This really is unbelievable, not gonna lie, guys. And today we might be sliding in the snowy weather, not gonna lie. Man, it's really snowing, man. Check out the cars. They got snow in the cars and everything, bro. But look, man, look at our car right here, man. Our car got snow on it too. We gotta hit a cold start. We got a crazy cold start, not gonna lie. Look at our baby covered in snow, guys. Check them out, check it out. Look at this snow. Where it's really snowing, bro. No way, bro. Hold on, we gotta hit a cold start. Cold start that motherfucker. Woo!
Nice.
Y'all heard my baby, right? Did y'all hear my baby? Baby roaring in the snow. Let's get inside the car, man. Nah, bro, seeing snow in New Orleans, Louisiana is really crazy. Not gonna lie, like, guys, look at all the ice on the window. Look at all the snow, man. Like, peep this out, man. This is really unbelievable, bro. Like I said, I stay in New Orleans, Louisiana, so seeing snow, bro, I haven't seen snow since like 2009, guys. 2009, keep that in mind. Like, I don't even know where I was in 2009.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
But man, we gonna be doing some little crazy little pulls today, not gonna lie, Mike. Oh man, oh yeah, we need to get some water, some cold water on our windshield, cause man, it's icy, guys. Like, it's really snow everywhere, guys. And look, today I got y'all boys. Don't worry, it's gonna be your boy ZAYYVERSON, the first time driving in the snow. So y'all know we're gonna be hitting some little crazy little skirts in the fucking snow. Y'all know how we going today, man.
Stop the cap.
But let me stop the troll. We're gonna be driving safe today, not gonna lie. We not trying to cause no accidents, get in the accident. We masked, so we got the little ski masks on, we got the shiesty on, cause I wanna, rob one of y'all, you hear me?
What do you mean by that?
Well, let me tell you, I'm trolling, guys. But look, later on, once the weather died down, once the snow died down for a little bit, we're gonna come back outside, we're gonna do another cold start, and then we're gonna take this bit for a ride, because I wanna drive in the snow. I never drove in the snow, but I'm gonna make sure I drive cautious for y'all boys. I'm not gonna do nothing reckless. I'm not about to be doing no burnouts and no snow or nothing, but I'm gonna go around and try to test out the driving in the snow. And once we be back, once it died down a little bit, guys, we're gonna be right back. But man, hold on, let me get back out the car right quick, because we gotta showcase the snow again, man, because this is really crazy, guys. Like, not gonna lie, like, it's really snowing. Like, it's really snowing. Like, look at this weather, man. Look at this, guys. Like, it's really snowing. This is crazy. Like, we can't even see our socials on our car, nothing, man. Our wicker bit, everything, bro. This is really an unbelievable feeling, man. Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, man, since 2009, and we didn't get snow like this. This is absolutely insane. But later on, guys, don't worry, I got y'all guys. We're gonna be doing some little crazy little pull. Well, we gonna do one crazy pull. I'm not gonna lie, I'm doing one crazy pull in this weather. This weather is beautiful. Like, look at the scenery, background. Everything looks beautiful, man. Man, this is a beautiful sight. We haven't got snow since 2009. I keep saying that, guys. I don't know what it was in 2009. I'm not gonna lie, but later on, guys, we're gonna be coming back outside. We're gonna do another cold start, like I said, and we're gonna take a little drive in the snowy weather, man. Just for y'all boys. I'm doing this for y'all boys. I don't usually drive in the weather like this, but I'm gonna do it for y'all boys. Cause I love y'all boys. I know y'all boys want to see the Scat in the snow. So it's gonna be our first time driving the Scat in the snow. Later on, I got your boys, like I said, and we'll be right back. All right, my boys, we are finally back, and luckily for us, we gotta drive this weather anyway. As you guys can see, we have 47 range miles. We gotta fill this bad boy up. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to this gas station, man. But look, boys, this is gonna be our first time driving in the snow, so we have to really watch what we're doing in this type of weather, man. It's gonna be real slippery. So your boy ZAYYVERSON's gotta make sure he's driving slow as possible. I'm not trying to slide in the type of car like this. You can see it's getting icy outside. I'm gonna scrape this off, bro. This is our first time sliding in the slow, guys. Like, look at this. Like, it's really beautiful outside, man. And look, not gonna lie, I would do some crazy pulls for y'all boys, but look though, man, look, I never did a donut in this car, or I never did, you know, little donuts, whatever, burnouts, whatever you want to call it. I never did it in this vehicle yet. So until I learn how to do it, that's when I'm going to start doing it for y'all boys. And this type of weather in the snow, I probably could learn how to do it, but I'm not about to take any risks. But like your boy ZAYYVERSON was saying, it haven't snowed down here in New Orleans since 2009, man. This is really crazy. They said we was expecting snow, and everybody didn't believe it, but now we do have snow, as y'all boys can see. It looks beautiful outside, man. Like, I haven't seen snow in a while, so look. And then we in the SCATPACK. Man, I wish I could slide this thing for y'all boys, because look, man, it would really be fun doing this for y'all boys, but look at this snow. Let me showcase y'all boys this one. Look at the snow outside, guys. Let me roll down the window all the way for y'all can see this. Like, look at outside, guys. Like, it look beautiful outside, man. We gonna hit the streets, man. See what we talk about in the streets right quick. Whoa, did we just slide right there? No way, right? Woo! Chad, we sliding, Chad, we sliding.
Boy, if you don't...
Chad, we just slid this motherfucker, hold on. We sliding low key, Chad, hold on, yeah, we gotta drive slow, we just slid that motherfucker, no way, right? Hey, that was a little slid, not gonna lie. Hey, hold on now, bro. Yeah, we definitely gotta make sure we driving 5 miles per hour. We cannot take any risks in this type of car, bro. I ain't gonna cap. But man, it looks really pretty outside, man. Like, look outside, guys. Like, this looks really beautiful, man. Let me roll down the other window for y'all boys. It looks beautiful outside. Like, look. Go roll that bit back up, hold on. Let me see something right quick, Chad. Woo! Yeah, we ain't taking no risks. We just like it's just a point of view drive in a Dodge Charger in snowy weather, guys. We're gonna drive slow as we can. We are not speeding in this car whatsoever today. We might park it in like a little empty parking lot and do some little crazy little things, but right now we're driving it real slow. Man, this is really beautiful. What we got the kids outside and everything, man, throwing snowballs and everything. Make sure we drive slow as possible, guys. We're not trying to spin this bit. If we spin this bit, it's wraps. Make sure I got my hand on the wheel right, man, cause I'm not trying to spin nothing right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Make sure we going as slow as possible. I know y'all guys wanna see some crazy pulls, but bro, we gotta be on an empty street. We gotta be in an empty lot for real, do burnouts or whatever. Let me see if the gas, hopefully the gas station open, because we do need gas. We only had 40 range miles. We gotta get some gas in here, man. Hopefully the gas not really packed. Gas station not really, all right, good. It's not really packed, guys, so we good. We in the clip, Nobody at, all right, we got one car at the gas station. Hopefully the gas station open. Let's slide through right here, Chad. Let's see what the gas station talking about. Make sure we drive slow. Get up here. Gotta put some gas in it. I can show you how much a SCATPACK costs when you need gas too. So hold on, Chad. Unfortunately for us, the gas station not even open, no way. So you're gonna be driving around 40 range miles in this type of weather.
Wow, man.
Like, look at the weather, guys. Peep it out. Look at the scenery. You got snow on the ground. You see something? Look at the snow, man. Peep out the scenery. Look at our baby. You see our baby right here? Baby looking beautiful, man. Hold on, let me try to get, hold on, Chad. Hold on, let me close the door for y'all boys. Get a little view for y'all. Get a little view for y'all boys, man. Look at our baby, all covered in snow. Looking clean, though. Looking fresh, man. Our baby first time playing in the snow. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and head over to an empty parking lot, so we can probably do a little slide, not gonna lie. Probably test it just for y'all boys. We try to see what we're gonna do. We'll be right back. Chad, we getting attacked from all angles right now, man. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I'm not gonna be able to do no pulls in this type of weather. I ain't gonna cap. Your boy ZAYYVERSON is looking at action, but look at our beauty SCATPACK right here, man. Check out our SCATPACK in the snowy weather, man. It's looking beautiful outside. Like I said, it's snowing. It's a I don't even know, man. I was about to say Christmas miracle, bro. We know it. Christmas. Huh? You hear me? So look, man, it's really a beautiful sight. Man, you can make fucking snowmans out here and everything. Like, look at this chat, look at your boy ZAYYVERSON playing this snow. Like, look at us, like, we feel like a kid right now. I ain't gonna cap, bro, I ain't gonna cap. Like, this is a miracle, man. Like, look at this, man. Like, chat, I cannot believe it's really snowing. Like, look at this, chat. It's really snowing, chat. Chat, it's really snowing down here in New Orleans, man. Look at boy. Man, we did some cocaine, man. We did like we sniffed, like we was Scarface sniffing some coke or something, bro. Man, look, we gonna be back later on, cause your boy ZAYYVERSON cannot handle this pressure right now. I feel like a fucking news reporter standing in the motherfucking snow reporting from fucking Fox 8 or something, you hear me? But look. But most likely later on we're gonna do a poll. Do not worry, guys. I got y'all, man. We covered in snow. It's a damn near snowstorm, man. I ain't gonna even cap. This is the most snow we ever got. I ain't gonna even cap, man. 2009, this shit, it don't have nothing on this. It don't have nothing on 2025, not gonna lie. We will be right back once the snow dies down, cause there's a lot of pressure right now, and we'll be right back. All right, my boys, we are finally back the next day, man. We could not go out yesterday, man. Yesterday was really bad. Look at the people out the road, guys. Like, look, the snow drying up. The sun is out, as you guys can see. And look at our baby right here, man. Our baby covered in snow right now. And yesterday, I really wanted to go back out. Look at that beautiful snowman right there, guys. People building snowman. This is a miracle, man. Like I was saying, though. Yesterday, I wanted to come out here yesterday, man, after I got done. But it got worse, guys. The snow was way higher than this. And I didn't want to take the chance of messing up my tires. As you can see, we got snow in the tires and everything. We got snow all over this car. And like I was saying, I did not want to take any risk, because look, driving in the snow, I didn't want to get stuck. I seen a lot of cars get stuck. We did have a little alarm to come to our iPhones telling us that people got in accidents. And I didn't want to take no risk, because if I get in an accident, I'm like, I don't know, like I'm honestly fucked, Chad, not gonna lie. But maybe I gotta go ahead and clean the snow off the car. Then we're gonna head over to the gas station, because your boy ZAYYVERSON is sitting that low range mount. So we really need to get gas, man. And we be right back. But before we head on the road, y'all guys know I said I got y'all another coaster, right? Hold on, let me get y'all guys a coaster before your boy ZAYYVERSON drive off. That's how our baby song.
Oh my God! Wow!
Look at the smoke blowing out. Woo! How that baby sound? How y'all think our baby sound in the snow? Drop y'all comments down below if it sound real good in the snow, man. But we gotta head over to the gas station. Be right back, boys. All right, my boys, as y'all boys can see, we're finally getting gas. And not gonna lie, man, we had to come here and get gas in our tank because, look, y'all remember yesterday when I said I had low range miles in my car? Hey, dog, we had low range miles. We had no miles in our car, so we had to come here with our partner, man. Shout out to my boy right here, man. Shout out to my boy. Let him know you had to come help a boy out, man. But look, though, we had to come here, get a little gas tank and put some gas in our tank. Only like a gallon, bro, but luckily for him, man, if it wasn't for him, we would be stuck, because my car wouldn't start or nothing, guys. I couldn't reverse, I couldn't drive that bit or nothing, so I thought something was wrong with my car, but obviously it was wrong with the gas. So shout out to my boy Levi, man. He came through clutch for us. And this is gonna be another point of view of like how much gas does a full tank of a Dodge Charger SCATPACK cost. Not gonna lie, man. As y'all boys can see right now, we at $43, $44. Like, yeah, I'm telling y'all boys, man, it's gonna, like, if you trying to drive this car every day, bro, hey, be ready to spend that buck for it, because I ain't gonna cap, bro. Spending $60 on gas is kind of crazy, dude. And as y'all boys can see, it took $55 to fill up a full tank of gas on the SCATPACK Charger. Man, the boy just came through this bitch spinning, man. Boy came through the gas station spinning, guys. But look, we about to head on out, man. We about to go to this Target parking lot, and we probably do a little crazy pull for y'all boys. Hey, what you think, bro? You think we should do a little crazy pull, bro? What you think? What you think? What you... Man, no, we're not worrying about none of that. We're not worrying about none of that. But as y'all boys can see, we spent $55 on a full tank of gas on the SCATPACK Charger. Some of you guys probably think that's not bad, but man, look, it's not bad to me, obviously, man. If you got the money for it, you can get it. Don't worry. But look, we're gonna head over to this Target parking lot. Probably do some crazy spins for y'all boys. And look, we'll be right back. All right, boys. You guys are probably wondering, ZAYYVERSON, I thought you was gonna do a little burnout or a little donut. Look, I have the sad news for you guys right now, man. Your boy ZAYYVERSON was ducking.
We have been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok, and flat out deceived.
And not gonna lie, man, we tried multiple times to do burnouts or whatever. And keep this in mind, it's your boy first sports car. Even though we had a V6 Charger, it's like, it's different driving a vehicle like this because I'm not trying to take no chances with this car, guys. I hope you guys really understand it. And my boy Coop, shout out to my boy Coop, man. He tried to teach us over the phone how to do like swings, how to do donuts, make sure the car traction control off, all that good stuff. And I was trying to do it, like, don't get me wrong, like I was tapping the gas pedal, doing whatever, making sure my foot was on the brake a little bit, but your boy kept on messing up every time I was trying to like swing it. So anytime I try to swing it, I'll start panicking. Like, it's really weird because, step in my shoes, guys. If this is your first car like this, a SCATPACK Charger, you would be scared also if you never did no burnout or you did donuts or whatever, like try to swing or slide in that big. Y'all gotta understand where I'm coming from. And like, it's really hard, guys. Like, I'm scared, I'm rattled. ZAYYVERSON is rattled, man. The stadium pause. We in the #1 ranking stadium right now, and like the screen and like everything's shaking right now, not gonna lie. But I hope you guys really understand that I'm really sorry. I know you guys really wanted me to slide today. Well, at least I did a couple slides. I did like 2 or 3 for you guys in the snow when it was ice outside. I did a couple slides for y'all guys, but it wasn't no real slide, like, you know what I'm saying, like an amateur type of slide. So I really hope you boys really understand that I was really ducking action today. But in the future, I promise you guys, you won't be disappointed because y'all gonna look back at this video and be like, dang, I remember it was ZAYYVERSON couldn't even do a donut or even slide. He was scared to slide. Now look at him now. But man, it's soon enough, guys. I'm telling you guys right now, we're gonna learn how to do everything. I promise you guys. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the first time it snowed in New Orleans, Louisiana. So you know, we had to pop out, man. We had to do something. We was not gonna just sit inside and not do no video with the SCATPACK Charger. So we got outside, we drove around for y'all boys, we played in the snow for y'all boys. And yeah, so I really hope you guys really understand where I'm coming from. I hope you guys don't get in the comment section doing hateful comments. I really hope you guys understand me. But man, we have made it to the end of the video. I hope you boys enjoy. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button right now. We're gonna be dropping 2K25 videos as well as car content videos. And you don't want to miss videos like this, man. So make sure you have that bell on and drop a like if you really enjoyed the video. But you guys already know what time it is, man. It's your boy ZAYYVERSON signing out. Peace.